Hello everyone, welcome to Sanath Institute of Spoken English. Today we are going to know about the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense will be framed like this: subject plus shall, will plus verb number 1 plus ing form plus object. I shall be learning English. We shall be learning English. You will be learning English. You will be learning English. He will be learning English. She will be learning English. It will be learning English. They will be learning English. ఇలా మనము ఎలా ఎన్నైనా టేబుల్స్ తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో లెట్ us take one more verb, speak. I shall be speaking English. We shall be speaking English. You will be speaking English. You will be speaking English. He will be speaking English. She will be speaking English. It will be speaking English. They will be speaking English.